Bia Kamal ka Nur online TV channel to kon ka breaking news. Rasime be ka Uganda ko la wara ya wacce ka South Sudan shi South Sudan Minister of Health kiner kon tilet ka kip wala puan chicken rajime chicken alat mugor kan wo de jeling a public natin content rai wacce ka South Sudan shirkane de kon rai wacce Juba kane dialan content rai wacce ka Kampala Uganda te ko rajime shalat gwasime mi banyo ka yakel mugor liang medera andere jeling kajan gwasame na me alar mishalat anerin kontin to pal point pindian re which ka Uganda chikana kula lat netin kontin la ji South Sudan ka doba dande na argang ja ajele dan bana nyo kajan gwasame uh, lar mishalat ka kwi jwasan shwal kai Ebola virus jene jwe mishina Kevin Tama re which ka Uganda kwale jona ji South Sudan en go gangane tin be re wish ka Juba ki re wish ka South Sudan. Ude me South Sudan Minister of Health raja dana chalat gwasa me chalat one ne jenu de wish South Sudan de jagang ka jan gwasa me tama ko shi bola virus shakap re wish ka Uganda ka kor gwase dan lat kini jenu ci jwe chatwo ko witin content tiek ke Uganda antama ci jeye mo ci rodo quit ci ben ke Uganda ka dobo dana chalat ke je Uganda ci kene declare no Ebola virus outbreak ci toka Kampala antama Ryan Mishala Dr. Kidende Chong, Director General of Preventive Health Service and Emergency Response ajena South Sudan tama ke jan gwasa me tere re kamadit kon South Sudan la netin wala kana berede ka gwe ke jen wo jeye mo deben ka dup to goal cha deben ka dop Uganda karwade deben ka dop Congo ba and jeye mo jeye mi bejen tama ka dop dana chelat ke je ajana gor jen de dup dial ke ki pon re which ka Juba ke dupin be ka Juba de ka gwich ajana we have received a statement from the Uganda Minister of Health declaring outbreak of Ebola virus ka Kampala ajana tama gorka jen wo de jelli ngane ko ne tere wi ka South Sudan ko te kene ti ngwana long te jal te bere which ka South Sudan ka te we re wi ka Uganda ne to de kana non re which ka South Sudan na me jen kwa wonin kwa ile to ko jamoni chawra me cha jala no ka Juba International Airport chala do ne ko na bere de ko na tem ki de ko kon gwich anyok cha nyola no kanumali bo gwadin content de ne de alde ga break je gorga jen wo warning mo de je top ki de je kam public ko de ken gwish ka kwi jwatan dan nb rewe gwasme uh South Sudan Minister of Health has announced urgent measure to boost civilians response at key interpoint following Uganda declaration of Sudan Ebola virus outbreak in Kampala. According to Dr. Kidian Chong, Director General of Preventive Health Service and Emergency Response, South Sudan is at risk due to frequent cross-border movement. Dr. Chong narrated that the Health Minister received a statement from the Uganda Minister of Health notifying them of the Ebola virus outbreak. He said due to population movement between the two countries, Juba has put surveillance measures in place at key points of entry including Juba International Airport and Numali Road. We have received a statement from Uganda Minister of Health declaring outbreak of Sudan Ebola type in Kampala. There's a lot of population movement between us and Uganda. We are at risk and that call for us to put in place an urgent mechanism to strengthen our surveillance and prevention measures, particularly at the point of entry. This includes Juba International Airport and Numali and others roads. We also have said we are going to monitor the situation and we will keep our public informed. Early on Thursday, Uganda Ministry of Health declared an outbreak of the relatively rare Sudan Ebola virus with one case in Kampala that was confirmed during examination from 3 national reference laboratories. LZ official Dr. Diana Twin said the case of a 32-year-old male nurse, an employee of Mulago National Referral Hospital, has died yesterday. Antama charam kel chejenekre weche ka Uganda ka Mulago Teaching Hospital ki Mulago National Referral Hospital Rewika Kampala ki Uganda. The victim initially developed fever like symptom wajen tugo je ka joy cherkelet puany and thought treatment and multiple health facilities charono oder or the treat ke de dream or the which chajalan no kana luang. She say 44 contact have so far been listed, including 30 health workers. Watching agent one, you don't want to make a cap. And many the corner a lot, dual wal Kamulago Hospital. Were 11 family members of the deceased and 4 health workers from Sadina Abubakar Islamic Hospital in Matuga, working in the Altisha cap. Sudan Ebola virus. Little known than Ebola Zaire, Sudan Ebola virus are members of the same Filoviridae virus family and are commonly referred to as filoviruses. Ala Ebola virus mashi ala Sudan Ebola. Alo a different ka virus no kona kapana. Both can cause severe hemorrhagic fever in human and non-human primitives. While there are 2 approved vaccines for Ebola Zaire, no licensed vaccine exists to protect against Sudan Ebola virus. Tele wal michana juk ka kwiden Sudan Ebola virus me. Miche na chaka kap miche ne jan ngwan ngwan chaka betama ano ka chene ti jan jok tela elzi worker ke lat redwel wal ka mulago ano ka ne ko kientin koni randi en liu ne de chop ka welkel family members ano and with me ka do bdana shalat ke je Sudan Ebola virus are transmitted to human by infected animal. Wajik je ke lay lo do badan de ran job ke de dop ke le ke latent kon to kunat particularly fruit bats wajik je ke mite ke dojal misha cham men chal ke ngabro ke dot anona ke bet and di mo shal ngabro ke dot jen mi dwor che je kach wa mi cham bi mishal ke Sudan Ebola virus o bi yik ajen do bana shalat ke jene me wa Ebola virus mo wa jen che tuong ka 1976. Okay, when 2 simultaneous outbreak occurred in northern Zaire, northern Zaire, now the Democratic Republic of Congo, actually be ka Congo do bana shalat ke jene wal Congo chale Zaire ka tami and the northern Zaire, in a village near the Ebola River in southern Sudan. Jen go dan jitin ka southern Sudan ka kujimi. Jen tialing enjoy me gor jen obanaren tit ko in Sudan Ebola virus me wajen tele vaccine ke tele wel mashana jiga kwide ne me jen warning adana wugan edialon kon tinde joy me de kan ngajen obede and joy me Sudan tele jet South Sudan tele jet do no de je ka dub diala kon la numeli kan airport international airport ke juba ne de kon bere ke Uganda keten be win ko ken jen de je do ko jomon shoe point South Sudan tele jeten ba jiga ne den be ka Kampala ka South Sudanese kon te Kampala tin be ke numeli road ala numeli border dung South Sudan kene Uganda anyok ba jek juba international airport ne de content jen ga Uganda tin jel kare nyal tin we ga juba jen kan dupren kon ba jek tin ke goda kon ba ga jek tin toto gwaye lar jene di alan ko kien na me jen dana talk and be atamal